Before you commit to buying SleekFlow, there are a few things you need to know. Whether you're already looking into this tool or you're just starting to compare it with other options, this video will give you a clear picture of what to expect. Stick around till the end, because I'll be revealing some exclusive insights on how it stacks up against competitors and how you can make the most of your experience with it. First off, let's talk about the user interface. SleekFlow is designed to streamline customer communication through multiple channels, including WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, and email, all from one centralized platform. But how does it compare to tools like ManyChat or Intercom? While ManyChat focuses heavily on chatbots, SleekFlow offers a more comprehensive suite that includes automation, but also real-time, human-like interactions, giving you the best of both worlds. Next thing, the integrations. You might be wondering if it plays well with the tools you already use. Well, SleekFlow offers seamless integration with popular CRMs, payment systems, and e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and even Stripe. This is something many competitors struggle with, especially those that only focus on one specific area, like marketing automation or sales pipelines. Now let's talk about automation. If you're looking for a way to save time, SleekFlow's automation capabilities are impressive. You can set up automated replies, workflows, and even manage your leads with ease. But where SleekFlow stands out is its ability to let you automate across multiple channels, something that competitors like Intercom or Zendesk can do, but often with more complicated workflows or higher price points. The fourth thing you need to know is their customer support. SleekFlow prides itself on providing 24/7 support, which is a huge plus when you're running a business. Unlike some competitors that only offer support during business hours or through limited channels, SleekFlow ensures you have help when you need it, regardless of time zone. Another thing that sets SleekFlow apart is its reporting and analytics. If you're a numbers-driven person, you'll appreciate the depth of data available, including detailed insights into customer behavior, campaign performance, and engagement metrics. It's designed for businesses that want more than just surface-level data, which is where competitors can sometimes fall short. Instead of just seeing whether people opened your messages, you can get real, actionable insights into what's actually driving conversions. Next, let's discuss scalability. Whether you're a small business or a growing enterprise, SleekFlow can scale with you. It's flexible enough to handle the demands of startups, but also powerful enough for large teams, offering team collaboration features that help streamline internal communications and improve customer interaction. Many smaller competitors might only focus on small businesses, but SleekFlow's scalability makes it ideal for companies of all sizes. Finally, the pricing model. SleekFlow has a transparent pricing structure with tiered options based on the size of your business. Unlike some of its competitors, which hide pricing or make you jump through hoops for a quote, you can easily understand what you're paying for and how each tier adds more features. Plus, you can try it for free through the link below, so you're never locked into a commitment until you're sure it's the right fit. To recap, SleekFlow is a versatile platform that stands out from competitors with its ease of use, multi-channel automation, robust integrations, excellent support, and deep analytics. Whether you're just starting out or looking for a more scalable solution for your growing business, it's definitely worth considering. If you want to try SleekFlow for yourself, click the first link in the description below. You'll get the best free trial available, along with some exclusive benefits. Don't miss out. Start improving your customer interactions today.